So here's my 5-inch with its polycarbonate frame and the Thumb2 mounted on top. No filter. There's the angle of it. And underneath, in the box that this SpeedyBee F405 V4 came in, is a 4S battery. So that's the rig I've been flying with. So I'll just show you what it looks like without the battery. So what I've done, I've screwed on the mount for the camera that came with onto the top of the polycarbonate, 1mm polycarbonate cover, and that seems to hold it firmly. So 3 points of connection with little screws coming through under the cover. And of course it's just plugged in and getting its 5 volts from the board. So pretty happy with how it all works. And the nice thing is I can replace everything. Nice modular design. So again, I'll show you how it flies.